start in the seated pose with the left knee bent, right leg extended to the front of the mat. Inhale, bring your arms up, hinge from your hips, fold forward over the extended leg, hands to frame the neck, or you grab your foot any place that you are, stay there, we're in a place where it feels good for you, and let's breathe together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The next inhale, bring yourself up, and we exchange. Stand the left leg long, bend the right knee. Inhale, arms up, hinge from your hips. Fold forward over the extended leg, hands to frame the front leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The next inhale, bring yourself up, bring your sole of your feet together, fingertips back, chest up, gaze up, opening your chest. Inhale, exhale, bring your option to bring your hands into the mat, and you press to the sole of your feet and your hands, send the hips up. Inhale, exhale, hips down, find your tabletop, shoulders and wrists aligned, knees and hips aligned, belly is active. Bring the right foot between your hands, extend the back leg, low lunge, squeeze the left glute, and let's flow. Just go back, extend both legs, and then forward, back and forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let's stay forward bend with the front knee bent, drop the back knee, send the hips gently forward to feel a nice stretch in your hips. Inhale, and as you exhale, hips to your back knee, extend the front leg, fold forward over the front leg. One breathe, inhale, exhale, and inhale, your torso up. We exchange. Then bring the left foot between your hands, extend the back leg, squeeze the left glute, low lunge, and then flow back and forward, extending the leg, and then bend. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, drop the back knee, hips forward, breathe here for a moment, feeling the stretch in your hips. Inhale, and as you exhale, hips to the back knee, extend the front leg, press to your heels, toes up. Inhale, exhale, fold forward, and breathe. Let's meditate. Let's find a nice, comfortable seated pose today. I invite you to sit in a crossed leg. The important thing is to have a nice spine long, hands to your lap, palms facing up or down. Close your eyes and just breathe. Stay checking for a moment what your body is telling you today. How are your emotions? Nothing to change. Check what is around you, what are noises are around you. How is feeling? Cold? It is warm? It is okay. Then at your own pace, start to calm within yourself. Breathing, and you inhale, feel the expansion of your body. And as you exhale, exhale through the mouth. Feel how your body relaxes. Start to add movement to your body, your shoulders, Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands